What's up guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today I'm going to be breaking down a schematic, a blueprint if you will, on how to make money online 24/7 365, and I'm going to be sketching it out on my iPad, and I'm going to be kind of mapping out a process, a funnel if you will, to get you to the point where you're making consistent sales in your business every single day, getting little amounts of money from different products and services. And I want to kind of show you guys what I try to do in my business so that maybe this information can help you. So if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you here. My name is John McNeil. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money from home, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into my iPad. Guys, you know I'm a little sloppy on the iPad, so just bear with me. We're gonna get right into it. All right, guys, so I hope you can hear me okay. I'm actually on my external mic right now, so hopefully the audio is not too bad. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to be showing you guys, what I try to do in my business to make consistent income on a day-to-day business. So the first thing we're going to be doing is you have to get some consistent traffic, right? So let's start off with traffic here. And I like to get traffic from 2 to 3 different sources here. So your sources of traffic could be different from mine, but this could be YouTube, this could be solo ads, and this can be PPC, right? So you start with traffic, and then you're going to send that traffic to a squeeze page. So we're going to go ahead and write squeeze page here. And with the squeeze page, obviously you're going to be building your list, and that's going to be good because that's going to set you up for profits on the back end. So once they go to the squeeze page, a good way to start monetizing that traffic from the sources that you've used is to go ahead and send them to what we call a thank you page or a bridge page. So we can go ahead and just put thank you here. And you can have like a video here. And basically this could be like video training, right? So one of the things that I like to do in this video training is actually teach them something that is very valuable. So it may just be like general affiliate marketing training, showing them how you would actually set up an affiliate marketing business, things that you would need in terms of a sales funnel, in terms of an autoresponder, in terms of basically getting traffic and getting tracking. So in this video here, you can be giving a lot of value and informing them, but you can be selling affiliate products, right? So you can be selling it without even really selling it because you're giving value here and you're teaching them how to do that. So within this particular training here, you can be selling, funnel software. You can be selling, I'm going to put AR for autoresponder. You can be selling tracking. So if you're doing paid advertising, you're probably going to need some sort of tracking. You could be selling traffic. So, there's traffic programs like Udemy that pay out, to affiliates. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 different affiliate products that you can sell within the video training here, where all you're doing is giving immense value, right? So this is like value-based training. So you can be making commissions from your funnel software. So if you're selling ClickFunnels or Builderall or lead pages, your autoresponder can be GetResponse, Aweber, your tracking can be ClickMagic, traffic, like I said, it can be Udemy or some other traffic platform that'll give you commissions, right? So then you just don't stop there. Of course, you got to have what we call, the back end here, right? So this is going to be your back end, and this is probably going to be like your mid to high ticket products. So essentially you're going to make money here when you're trying to sell them these products that they need. These are things that they're going to need regardless. And then, of course, you're going to try to make your big profits here. And this is where you want to sell your webinars, your high-end coaching, your high-end digital courses, your high-end services, done for you platforms. These are great to sell because you can make, you know, really good money here on this end. So your biz ops, again, this is where you want to sell that right here. So what you would do in terms of, you know, okay, we have the traffic over here. The other thing we have to keep in mind, guys, is we're going to have an email campaign. So as soon as these people opt in on the squeeze page, you're going to have, say, email 1. And that one's probably going to go straight to this video training, right? And then email 2, we'll put E2 here. That'll go to that video training as well. And then you can have email 3, email 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm just going to put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is kind of like your email campaign, but all of these emails can point back to your high-end profits, right? So you're trying to sell your big ticket items in the rest of the email campaign, right? So then after you finish that 7 email campaign series, you can then move on and try to sell, you know, like another high-end product, or, you know, send them to another autoresponder, or put them through another funnel or another sequence, and it can just continue to go on and on and on. But the way that you really want to make, when we talk about, you know, making money 24/7, the key is making sure that you have consistent traffic right here. So you got to have consistent traffic. And so that's something that you really have to focus on. So, I mean, if you're going to do, you know, YouTube marketing, of course, you're going to have to constantly be creating content and videos to get organic traffic. If you're going to be doing solos, you need to have a budget, right? So you can't just do one solo and think that, okay, now I'm going to be making all this money. You got to have a monthly budget. And I know a lot of you out there are afraid of solos. And I think one of the issues, and I probably will make a video about this more in depth, but I think one of the issues that people are having is with solo ads, they're spending like, you know, $30, and that's just not going to work. In order to really make solo ads work, you need to be trying to get anywhere between, you know, 300 to 1,000 clicks to really see some return. So maybe I'll do a video about that in the near future. And even with the PPC ad here, like if you're going to be doing pay-per-click, you know, once this whole funnel is breaking even, at least, you can just keep running the ads. Just keep running the ads, because if you're breaking even anywhere in here, you're getting free leads, and then you still have all of this back end to continue to sell those leads, products, and services. So essentially, this is what you want to have if you want to make money online 24/7. You got to have some consistent sources of traffic here. You're going to send them to a high converting squeeze page. You want to try to get your squeeze page to, you know, 30 to 40% opt-in rate, and then send them to some training, sell some low ticket items here, some, you know, affiliate tools, and then you got to have your back end, and then you have all of this set up, and then that, you know, way that, you know, you're constantly making money because of the traffic is constantly coming in here. You're constantly feeding these revenue sources here and here, and it just is cyclical. So then every single day you should be seeing, once you kind of get some good traffic going in there, you should be seeing sales coming through every single day, because again, you still have your follow-up email campaign that, you know, should be going out. So you should just be consistently making some money. So I hope that made sense, guys. If you have any questions about this, leave it in the comment section. We really have to focus on like the money making, generating activities and things that people need in terms of giving value here, and then having some good back end, having some good follow-ups. It's a few different pieces, but once you take the time to put it all together, it can be very rewarding. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I do have a free funnel. Actually, it's just been optimized and updated from this past year. I've been making money with it over a year now. So it's actually been updated and re-optimized. There's a free funnel. I have a link in the description. You can actually get the funnel for free and actually start generating some income. It has all of these different components in there, and all you really need to do is just send the traffic. So make sure you check that link out in the description, guys. This is John from johnmcneil.com. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.